be a real boy. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do this every Thursday and Sunday. It's quite fantastic. Sometimes we play with makeup, sometimes we open makeup. Other times we do neither. But one way or another, it's beauty related. So it's really good stuff. You should probably hit that like and subscribe button, because this is really good content. Why do I have to keep explaining myself to you? Just do it. All the cool kids have. Anywhoozle. In today's episode of welcome back to my channel, we're going to be opening up my Ipsy Glam Bag. I think this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I forget. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. It's rather larger than it's been in the past, I think, or no, same size. Feels a little bit heavier. It's got a bit of noise to it, so we'll see. This is my, I want to say, third of the larger Ipsies. I was not impressed before, so we'll see how this one goes. I'm getting kind of a little bit tired of opening things I don't like. We'll see. We're gonna open this up together, see what I got. It should be a grand old time. Sticky. Oh, we got stuff, and it's crushed. It's definitely crushed. But let's go ahead and pull this out. It's about very cute packaging, by the way, for the month of February. We are towards the end of the month of February, by the way. But I believe the little lippy pattern and the red is to go with the theme for the month, which in the US here is love or Valentine's Day. So that's kind of going with it. Very cute. Couple products in here, all smushed. So let me just dig out the card here. Does it say? Oh, Ipsy, stop sending cards that have nothing to do with the products. I feel like, I know. I feel like you're just wasting paper at this point. Why? It's obnoxious, but whatever. The theme for this month, for February 2021, is Send Love, which is pretty nice. I think you've conveyed that with the bag that your stuff comes with, so that's cool. Hashtag Ipsy Send Love. All you need is love, maybe a little lipstick too. Treat yourself to whatever brings you joy. Blah, 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 blah. You know what brings me joy? Knowing what's in my bag. And in the inside of the card, where I would expect there to be the products and some information about them, maybe some pricing or how-to something, it just tells me wear some pink glitter, spend a night mastering a really impressive nail art look, make Zoom happy hour a thing again, and we're just gonna yeet that card because what the French toast, Ipsy. Then I'm gonna pull up my phone and we're gonna go from here. Where's my Ipsy? Thank goodness I have the Ipsy app. It makes things a little bit easier. I absolutely love my standard Ipsy Glam bag. That thing is amazing. I have had it for years now. I don't want to say a couple because it's been years. Like at least 3, 4, maybe more. I really like it. Let me pull this up. Okay, this is the Glam Bag Plus. And show me now. Watch and learn. How about you just tell me what's in my bag? Okay, so here we go. The February Glam Bag Plus. And we're just going to go off of here because the card didn't do anything. We have a AHAVA Night Replenisher for normal to dry skin. Doesn't really tell me much about it. But again, I want to take everything out of the bag because it's all crushed. Legitimately all crushed. empty bag. Cute bag, really nice. Not super silky, but it has that feel to it. It's really nice. Poor little thing. Crushed. I tried to fix it as best as I can. It says time to hydrate, night replenisher for normal to dry skin. And it is valued at $74. It's a night cream. Apply a dime size amount to a clean face, neck, and chest. Oh, so I don't have to wash it off in the morning? That's actually pretty cool. I really dislike the night creams where you have to like put it on. Well, I guess they call it a night mask. You put it on and you have to wash it off in the morning. That's just like an extra step I don't want to do. I'm lazy. But retailing at $74, just mentioning this off the fly here, this pays for my bag itself. I believe, oh, I couldn't even begin to tell you. I believe the bag is 20, oh, yep. I don't remember how much the bag costs, but I'll go ahead and put the information down below in the description box, comment section, what have you. I'll go ahead and leave the information about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription down below, but that in itself pays for my subscription for the month. I believe it's like 20 or 30 bucks because I've been doing the month to month. I'm not impressed. So we're coming up on our wit's end here, or we're coming towards the end of this trial. But yeah, $74. My goodness. Okay though. Okay, I see you. All this other crushed stuff. Next, we have an item from Makeup Forever. And I do really like Makeup Forever. It's a full-size item as well. Retails for $22. Aqua Resist Color Pencil Eyeliner in 01 Graphite Black. It's it's just... Ooh. So you twist to sharpen. Okay. That is pretty neat. 22 bucks. I do like liners, so that's always a plus. I don't think you could really go wrong. Well, I mean, you can go wrong with the wrong type of liner, but I think Makeup Forever is a pretty good brand. I've tried them a lot with my Sephora Play when they had that. And I don't think I had it in my Ipsy Glam bag. I think it was just my Sephora Play box that I got a lot of them in, but I loved it. Fell in love with the formulas. It's great. Great brand. If you haven't tried it, check it out. Yes. $22. By the way. The next side. No. No. The next is that what this? Oh, so homeboy here. This item is $35. It is a Complex Culture Angled Foundation Brush. And good thing it's just a brush because you got squished. For $35. Oh, you're really... Oh, that's heavy. I like this, though. Let me try and pull this off. I just had it off, too. This is nice. And it says this is one of the items I picked. I've been really into these, like, really firm, flat bristle brushes for pushing around, like, my foundation and the blush lately. It's been doing a great job. It feels not the softest, but it feels really dense, and I'm so into that. Plus, the handle feels pretty nice, too. Whether I'm, like, way back here, which I probably never will be, or right here, it's got that nice feel to it. Just throwing it out there. That's pretty cool. And then this adorable little sleeve that I don't know what you would, like, cute, I guess. Again, $35 per my Ipsy app. And then we have a BENTON Deep Green Tea Cleansing Foam. So is it a deep tea? $12. $12. But it's homeboy right here. Also smusher. Poor little thing. And it's is a moist purifying cleanser enriched with green tea, which is the most famous in Korea, dermatological tested. I did get a moisturizer. I'm not sure if it was from my Ipsy or my BoxyCharm. That was a Korean moisturizer. It smells just like baby powder. Not my favorite, but oh my gosh, she's thick and she does wonders for my skin. I love it. So this I'm probably gonna try too, because people from overseas have this beautiful glow to them, and I think they truly understand that beauty comes from within, not just your attitude or what have you, or the way you talk or the way you act or the way you are towards people, but your skincare. That's what it is. Yeah, forget all that other junk. Skincare. $12 too, that's not bad. It says squeeze suitable amount, add water, lather, massage into face, and rinse with lukewarm water. Okay. Expires in 2023, so I have some time. Pretty neat. Oh, I don't know why I put it back in the smush box, but there you have it. $12. That's pretty crazy. Like this tiny little fella. $12. 70, what is it, 70 some dollars? 12, 70. Crazy. But I mean, you do different things, I guess. We'll see. And then we have one more product. Let me see here. And it says I also picked this. So these last three products I picked. This one, and this one, which is a lot tinier than I thought it would be. Tiny. But it is a We Are Fluid BROWZEY Brow Gel in Clear. Which I do love my brow gels because my brows have been thriving during this pandemic. $12. Full size. $12. Everything's full size in this Ipsy Glam bag. In case you didn't catch the theme, full size. But this is cute. I love my brow gels. And this is clear. I've never heard of this brand or this brand or this one, so I think that's why I chose these products. I really want to explore with these types of things. Unless there's something I've had my eye on, or it's a new exclusives from a product or a brand that I absolutely love, then yeah, I'm gonna get it. But typically I like to try new things. New thing. I don't have very much information on the bag, unfortunately. They don't give me too much on the app here. It just kind of goes over what the products are. You can click on it, learn a little bit more, shop the brand, and then leave a review. I'm liking these products a little bit more than my other ones out of the other bags I've gotten so far. Just throwing it out there. The products I got in this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus were all pretty great. I love this one. Gonna try it. Same here. This one also, and this one. As much as I kind of want to say I don't want to like this bag, I really do. It's pretty good. We'll leave it for another month, see how this goes. If you've had any better luck with your Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, let me know, because maybe I'm just not feeling it. Maybe I'm not utilizing something the right way to get what I should be getting. It's not clicking. We're not clicking. You know. Anywhoozle, before I talk your ear off, thank you very much for hanging out with me. I will catch you next time. Bye.